In winter, we saw geese fly over us. The group flew in a V shape. They travel to locate food and a warm place for the winter. Read the story. Highlight the 3 two-syllable words that begin with a closed syllable. Should moose leave too? Their world is frozen solid, so bark is their major food. Underline the 2 two-syllable words that begin with an open syllable. Today we stay warm in our cabin. We sip hot soup with spoons. We put on boots and coats. It feels like years until spring. Underline the 3 words with the same vowel sound as moon.